Hi guys, welcome back to your English classes with your favorite teacher, Teacher Lenin Castro. And today I want to show something special, a story of a soccer player that is he accomplished a lot of things. That is a legend right now. Uh, uh, Besides the adversities that he suffered, uh, let me tell you a little about it. When he was kid, he played soccer, and he was very good at it. He was very fast. He played in the league. He win a lot of tournaments, but he has a disease that makes him very small. And a lot of people told him that he wasn't going to succeed. He couldn't play he couldn't play soccer anymore. He was too short for that. But right now, and with a preservation, with a lot of effort, with all with a lot of work, right now he's won 10, I think, uh, 10 awards of the best player in the world. And if you don't know of who I'm talking about, it's about Leo Messi. So let's see the history about it.
What? Look at this. I have a plan to stop him. Watch out! Not again.
Leo, I'm sorry. You have a growth defect. Your body stopped growing.
No!
Don't give up on your dream. Because when you have a dream to chase, nothing can stop you. Nothing can stop you.
We heard a lot of good things about Messi. Let's see if he can live up to it. Messi with the ball. Notice two defenders. Messi, 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 Messi. Goal, 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 goal.
No way to stop this man!
Oh, what a nutmeg by Leo. Introducing the first kit designed to stop Messi.
¡La tiene Messi! ¡Ole!
Oh, look at that. Into the fans.
Encima de banda, gran movimiento, golazo.
No matter how hard you try, this man is just unstoppable. All eyes on Messi. This is the match he's been dreaming of his whole life. Messi with the ball. Messi for all the glory. Messi! Oh, and he's missed.
It's the end of the dream for Leo Messi.
And it's over the bar.
So many big losses in a row. Messi is definitely cursed.
You can't be the greatest if you don't win these tournaments.
Demostró que es too many frustrations.
Messi stop his quest with a missing trophy?
When you have a dream to chase, nothing can stop you.
Messi's team is on the edge of the abyss.
He really needs to step up.
If they don't make it, it'll be a huge embarrassment.
Messi is carrying the whole weight of his team.
He has all the pressure in the world.
Messi with the ball. Into the area. Messi for the comeback.
When you have a dream to chase, nothing can stop you.
So yeah, when, like Messi said, when you have a dream to chase, nothing can stop you. And I want you to think about that, about the video, about how he faced adversity and with perseverance he accomplished a lot. And we're going to talk about it on Monday. Have a very nice day and see you on Monday, Tuesday. Goodbye.